Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here. And this unit, I've been saving this one for last because this is kind of an unusual one. This actually more resembles a home receiver than a car unit, and it's actually out of a 1978 Airstream trailer. So I'm assuming this is probably like an RV or a mobile home of some sort because it's got a more or less kind of more a home stereo than a car stereo. Anyway, customers requested the modern internal conversion because the FM was not working. I was not able to fix the FM. And he also wanted the USB feature so he can plug USB sticks full of music into it. So let's go ahead and turn it on and make sure it works. I've got it set to FM at the moment.
Could be a small group study, and I know as a professor maybe you thought.
Okay, we'll just take a quick look at our speakers
in a group setting
and adjust our front rear fader all the way front, rear,
Why Should We Love
front,
the Local Church, which
rear.
is just a condensed version of the larger book.
Okay,
and
check
so
our
those
tone.
little books are meant to be used in a very small
Okay,
church
there goes our
setting.
treble. Turn that back up.
It's meant for
Left,
all
right
those
balance,
who
all the way
sometimes
left,
struggle to see
all the way right,
such qualities in
left,
the church, those who
right.
are tirelessly serving in her ministries.
Okay, and then of course we got our
rare,
volume control.
sustainable
Okay, now let's
glimpses of
run
her
down the
beauty.
dial real quick.
Book is for
Make
you.
sure we pick up some FM stations here. Gonna go pretty quick.
Yes, there's a couple.
For who the church is and what.
Ain't your mama sick a lot? Up on you. A bounce.
$800 value.
By Business Insider, The Verge, and countless others.
Come see us the 24th and 25th for free hot.
Okay, let's switch over to AM. I get one strong station in my area.
in artistic chaos.
Okay, and there's our strong AM station.
Watching the
All right, let's test the
it's a terrific video.
USB.
There's no two ways about it.
Make sure it
I
switches
have
over.
One more question, Robert,
And
and
plays my radio commercial. Here we go.
it is strictly
And the radio
okay
comes
with
back.
whatever answer you
Alrighty.
have, but Did your immersion
guess what?
in the life
That's it.
of a person who preceded your life
So now I'll give a
have any
basic
effect on you?
basic rundown on this radio. Not all the controls are used anymore. The bass control is no longer used because the conversion electronics only allow for a single tone control. So this is going to be your tone control, your treble. You got treble, balance, volume. Those all work. Your front rear fader works, but your bass control is no longer used, and the noise blanker switch is no longer used either. And then over here, AM is AM, and anything else is FM. Including the aux input. So if you want to listen to FM or the aux input, all you got to do is have the switch somewhere besides AM. Switching it over to AM puts it on AM, and that's the only way to get the radio on AM. So she's ready to go back to the customer. This is my last video. This is the last of a 21 radio marathon that I've been engaged in for the last few days. This is the last one, number 21. I saved the best for last, the most unusual one, the most interesting one. Saved that one for last. So thanks again, Jim, for your business from Kansas City, Missouri. That's my old home state. I actually played in Kansas City when I was playing bass behind Robert Bacon for his unfortunate 6-gig career. So that brings back some cool memories of a 6-hour road trip where I couldn't smoke. That was not the most enjoyable gig I've ever played, I can say that much. So thanks again, Jim, for your business all the way from my old hometown of Missouri. Thank you guys for watching and listening. You know how to reach me through my website. See you guys next time.